The Earth is a planet of wonders. From vast deserts to icy tundras, it holds a diverse tapestry of life and landscapes. But there are places on our planet that inspire a sense of awe and fear. The Bermuda Triangle is one such place. This area of the Atlantic Ocean, shrouded in mystery, has captivated imaginations for centuries. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the North Atlantic Ocean. Its points are typically marked by Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. It is an area of significant maritime traffic, with countless ships and planes traversing its waters and airspace every year. Yet the Bermuda Triangle has gained notoriety for something far more intriguing than its geographic location. It is a place where ships and planes have seemingly vanished without a trace. These disappearances have led to countless stories, theories, and legends. The Bermuda Triangle is a mystery that continues to fascinate us, a reminder that even in our modern world, there are still places where the unknown holds sway. Join me as we journey into the heart of the Bermuda Triangle, exploring the stories, the science, and the enduring enigma of this legendary location. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle is not a new phenomenon. Tales of strange occurrences in this region have been shared for centuries. Ancient mariners sailing through these waters whispered of unpredictable seas and sudden storms. They spoke of ships disappearing, swallowed by the waves, never to be seen again. Christopher Columbus, on his first voyage to the New World in 1492, reported strange compass readings and unusual lights in the sky while sailing through this area. He wrote in his logbook of the erratic behavior of his compass, a phenomenon that has been attributed to the fact that the Bermuda Triangle is one of two places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. Native American legends also speak of a mysterious force at work in these waters. The Taino people, who inhabited the Caribbean islands, told stories of a sea god who lived beneath the waves and dragged ships and their crews down to his watery realm. These legends, passed down through generations, added to the mystique of the Bermuda Triangle. While these early accounts are shrouded in folklore and superstition, they laid the groundwork for the enduring mystery that surrounds the Bermuda Triangle. They are a testament to the power of the unknown and the deep-seated human fascination with the mysteries of the sea. The modern-day fascination with the Bermuda Triangle can be traced back to the mid-20th century, when a series of unexplained disappearances captured the world's attention. One of the most famous of these is the case of Flight 19, a story that continues to baffle investigators and fuel speculation to this day. On December 5, 1945, 5 US Navy Avenger torpedo bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on a routine training mission. Known as Flight 19, the squadron consisted of 14 experienced airmen. Their mission was simple, a 3-hour flight over the Atlantic. However, Flight 19 never returned to base. The weather was clear that day, and the flight was uneventful at first. But as the planes flew over the Bermuda Triangle, something strange happened. The flight leader, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, reported that his compasses were malfunctioning and he was disoriented. The other pilots also reported similar issues. Radio transmissions from the flight grew increasingly frantic. Taylor could be heard telling his crew that they were lost, and the landmarks they were supposed to be seeing were not where they should be. Then, silence. Flight 19 had vanished. A massive search and rescue operation was launched, but no trace of the 5 planes or their crew was ever found. The disappearance of Flight 19 remains one of the most perplexing mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. It is a chilling reminder of the power of the unknown and the fragility of human life in the face of nature's mysteries. The unexplained disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle have spawned countless theories ranging from the scientifically plausible to the wildly improbable. Some believe that the area is a hotbed for paranormal activity, a gateway to another dimension, or even a hunting ground for extraterrestrial beings. One of the most popular theories is that the Bermuda Triangle is home to a vortex, a swirling portal that sucks in unsuspecting ships and planes. Proponents of this theory point to the strange electromagnetic anomalies that have been reported in the area, suggesting that they could be caused by a rift in space-time. Others believe that the disappearances are caused by giant sea monsters, such as the Kraken of Norse mythology or colossal squid that lurk in the depths. These creatures, they argue, are large enough to drag down ships or pull planes from the sky. Another theory suggests that the Bermuda Triangle is a testing ground for advanced underwater technology, perhaps even a secret government base. The disappearances, they claim, are the result of experimental weapons or other classified projects gone wrong. While these theories are intriguing, they lack concrete evidence. The Bermuda Triangle, despite its reputation, remains a mystery, and these explanations, while entertaining, are ultimately speculation. Section 5. Science Sets Sail. Seeking answers in the deep. While conspiracy theories abound, the scientific community has long sought a rational explanation for the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. Researchers have studied the area extensively, using advanced technology to map the seabed, analyze ocean currents, and investigate weather patterns. One of the most plausible explanations for some of the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is the presence of underwater methane hydrates. These ice-like deposits found on the ocean floor can break free and release massive bubbles of methane gas. If a ship were to sail over one of these bubbles, it could lose buoyancy and sink rapidly. The sudden release of methane gas could also pose a danger to aircraft. The methane, when mixed with air, could create a zone of low air density, causing planes to lose altitude and crash into the sea. Another scientific theory focuses on the unique magnetic characteristics of the Bermuda Triangle. This area is one of only two places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align, which can cause compass variations and navigational errors. While modern navigation systems are less susceptible to these variations, they could have played a role in some of the earlier disappearances. While these scientific explanations offer plausible scenarios for some of the incidents in the Bermuda Triangle, they do not account for all the disappearances. The mystery, it seems, is far from solved. Section 6. The Ocean Secrets, Methane and Magnetic Anomalies. The ocean depths are a realm of secrets, a place where darkness reigns and strange creatures lurk. The Bermuda Triangle, with its deep trenches and underwater canyons, is no exception. Scientists believe that two natural phenomena, methane hydrates and magnetic anomalies, could hold the key to understanding some of the mysteries of this enigmatic region. Methane hydrates, sometimes described as fire ice, are formed when methane gas becomes trapped within a lattice of water molecules. These deposits are found in vast quantities on the ocean floor, particularly in areas like the Bermuda Triangle, where tectonic activity is common. When disturbed, methane hydrates can rapidly release massive bubbles of methane gas, creating a hazard for ships and planes. Imagine a ship sailing over a large methane bubble. The sudden decrease in water density could cause the vessel to lose buoyancy and sink rapidly, leaving little time for distress calls or the deployment of lifeboats. Similarly, aircraft flying through a plume of methane gas could experience engine failure or a sudden loss of altitude, leading to a crash. Adding to the potential for disaster are the unique magnetic characteristics of the Bermuda Triangle. This region is one of only two places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This alignment can cause compass variations, making it difficult for navigators to maintain their bearings. While modern navigation systems are less susceptible to these variations, they could have played a role in some of the earlier disappearances when compasses were the primary means of navigation. Section 7. A History of Mishaps, Human Error and Hurricanes. While the Bermuda Triangle is often portrayed as a place where supernatural forces are at play, the reality is that many of the disappearances can be attributed to more mundane factors, such as human error, equipment failure, and the unpredictable nature of the sea itself. The vastness of the ocean leaves plenty of room for mistakes. Navigational errors, especially in the days before GPS and other advanced navigation systems, were common. A slight miscalculation could send a ship or plane hundreds of miles off course, leading to fuel shortages and potential disaster. The Bermuda Triangle is also located in a region prone to severe weather conditions, including hurricanes and rogue waves. Hurricanes, with their powerful winds and torrential rainfall, can capsize ships and down aircraft. Rogue waves, which can reach heights of over 100 feet, can appear without warning, posing a significant threat to even the largest vessels. Furthermore, equipment malfunctions such as engine failures, communication blackouts and structural damage can also lead to accidents at sea. The ocean is an unforgiving environment, and even a minor problem can quickly escalate into a life-threatening situation. Section 8. Tales Exaggerated. The Power of Storytelling. The mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle have captivated the public imagination for decades, inspiring countless books, documentaries, and Hollywood movies. However, the line between fact and fiction has become blurred, and the legend of the Bermuda Triangle has been embellished and exaggerated over time. Many of the stories surrounding the Bermuda Triangle are based on anecdotal evidence, hearsay, and speculation, rather than verifiable facts. Over time, these stories have been repeated and embellished, taking on a life of their own. The media, eager to capitalize on public fascination with the unknown, has often sensationalized these stories, further fueling the myth of the Bermuda Triangle. For example, some accounts of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle claim that ships vanished instantly, leaving no trace behind. However, investigations often reveal that these disappearances were gradual, with distress calls and debris being found, suggesting that something other than a mysterious force was at play. The human mind is naturally drawn to stories, especially those involving danger, intrigue, and the unknown. The Bermuda Triangle, with its combination of real-life tragedies and unexplained phenomena, provides fertile ground for such tales. Section 9. The Real and the Imagined, Finding Truth in the Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, despite its reputation as a place of paranormal activity and unexplained disappearances, is not immune to the laws of nature or the realities of human error. While the region has been the site of some genuine mysteries, many of the stories surrounding it are the result of exaggeration, speculation, and the human desire to believe in the extraordinary. It is important to approach the subject of the Bermuda Triangle with a healthy dose of skepticism. While it is tempting to attribute every disappearance to supernatural forces or extraterrestrial intervention, the more likely explanations are often far more mundane. Natural phenomena, mechanical failures, and human error are all contributing factors to the tragedies that have occurred in this region. However, this is not to say that the Bermuda Triangle is devoid of mystery. There are still unexplained disappearances, and scientists are continuing to study the area to better understand its unique characteristics and potential hazards. The ocean depths hold many secrets, and the Bermuda Triangle, with its deep trenches and underwater canyons, is no exception. Section 10. An enduring enigma. The Bermuda Triangle's hold on us. The Bermuda Triangle, despite our best efforts to explain it, remains an enigma. It is a place where the known and the unknown collide, where the rationale meets the inexplicable. And it is precisely this sense of mystery that continues to fascinate us. The stories of vanished ships and planes, the whispers of strange lights and magnetic anomalies, all tap into our primal fear of the unknown. They remind us that for all our technological advancements, we are still at the mercy of nature's power and the vastness of the universe. Perhaps the most enduring lesson of the Bermuda Triangle is the power of storytelling. Throughout history, humans have used stories to make sense of the world around them, to explain the unexplainable, and to pass on knowledge from one generation to the next. The stories of the Bermuda Triangle, whether based on fact or fiction, serve as a reminder of the enduring human need to explore, to question, and to wonder. So is the Bermuda Triangle real or a myth? The answer, it seems, lies somewhere between the two. It is a place of both natural wonder and human tragedy, a region shaped by both scientific realities and the enduring power of the imagination. And as long as the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle remain unsolved, it will continue to capture our imaginations and fuel our fascination with the unknown.